thing where you like...
Yeah.
Like you would think I could do it because my nose is so...
Hello everybody, this is the Come Through crew. I'm Millie, but just Cam is fine.
I'm Mario.
Bam.
I'm Ariel, aka Prophet Cat.
I'm Brian.
Yes.
Vida.
I'm Elise, or Raz Elise.
And I'm Valia.
Hey.
We're the Come Through crew.
So we just finished eating tacos. Now it's time for dessert.
It's time to taste some vegan ice cream that we've all never tried before. The
Yeah.
Haagen-Daz vegan ice creams. We have 3 flavors.
We have caramel coconut, peanut butter chocolate fudge, chocolate salted fudge truffles. So like, which one do you think you're gonna like most?
The
Just by
caramel
name.
one.
I
Caramel
already
one.
forgot them. But anything with chocolate.
The ice
Because
cream
the
one,
coconut
definitely
caramel
the
sounds
ice
like
cream
too
one.
much.
Oh my god, I
That's
love
why
it.
I'm like,
already.
oh.
I don't know. All of them
Wow,
are
what's
right.
the choice?
I love it.
I mean, we're
So
There's a certain how do you say it?
there's an issue some vegans have with vegan ice
Oh, the
cream.
sugar.
That is the sugar. Because it's the white sugar and that you don't know if whether or not.
But they're looking for a solution.
Yeah.
So there was an issue with sugar, and
The way we were talking about it before is that like a lot of the things we eat, we just accept the fact that there is white sugar and that it's most likely that we won't try it. And like,
Well, the Oreos.
I mean,
they're
Yeah,
bought
people-
anyways.
the
I
people
hate that.
who say that Haagen-Daz is not vegan because of their sugar,
right.
you can judge someone while after you look on the side and then you eat bread or you eat some tomato sauce or anything that has sugar and you're not sure of the provenance. And even like Oreos, you know, oh yeah, it's vegan, yeah, but like
It's
you know,
not
the
really
same
vegan.
thing.
So basically, we all have our each of us have
Yeah.
our own way of being vegan,
Yeah.
and this is our way. It's today to
Keep
eat
fucking...
this beautiful,
Oh,
delicious ice
that's
cream.
why.
Vegan ice cream.
Vegan ice cream!
Everywhere.
Vegan Haagen-Daz people.
Those appeared in my grocery store like this week because I've been
I've
looking
still
for
never
them.
seen them anywhere.
They're so new to Montreal, so we're gonna try them one after each other. Nice.
Oh my god. Okay, the ice cream.
Yeah.
It's
Boys
so
can't
nice. It has like zebras of like chocolate. Wanna start?
Oh, she's so excited.
Remember, she loves melted ice cream as her favorite liquid.
That's my favorite liquid. It's so cool how the like harder parts melt into a very like caramelly chocolate. Which means,
yeah?
I mean, it's a fudge thing. It's really good. It's a very good.
How's the texture?
Love it. I love chocolate ice cream. It's a very good one, and the texture is like very interesting. It's more fun than just having plain ice cream when there are like these little pieces inside. I like them.
How many stars out of 5?
Oh my god.
9.
Right? 9 star out of 5?
Out of 5. 4.
Perfect.
Mario,
Mario, what's your favorite?
Everything that she said.
Yeah, that makes a lot
Plus,
of
I
sense.
like the salt to sweet
There's salt in it.
Yeah.
balance, the ratio there. That was really
Yeah.
I also tasted the Ben & Jerry one, and this one has a lot more flavor to it.
Yeah.
The other one
Yeah, I agree.
felt a lot more like subtle.
good. I
This has more layers, kind of.
It tastes more like a
This
chocolate.
one it tastes a lot more like chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah,
From that.
Yeah.
it's a lot richer.
Oh my god.
I didn't take it with this.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was gonna be my favorite one.
Look at
Oh my
that.
god.
That's my kind of ice cream.
Oh.
My god. My god. Okay.
Yeah.
Out of 5? Well, what do you give it?
I want to taste
Oh,
It's
Five.
a 5.
Five?
It's really, really good.
I'm
Like,
not
it
one.
could not be better than that.
It's better than
I
I
give
put
it
a 5.
I give it a 4.
A 4.
I feel like it's better than
Four.
Ben & Jerry's.
Yeah, I think it's
Because I
a
don't believe
5 because
Me, it's
I
a 4.
feel
Unless
like
you
I
don't
could
say.
actually eat all of it and not feel disgusted with
Yeah.
myself. It's a really good balance of flavors.
I got like
See,
a
for
weird,
me-
but I got a weird aftertaste.
Oh, I'm
I
fine.
I mean, I'm
I
sorry.
don't feel that.
I just took another bite, so I can't say.
I don't feel that, but for me, I'm not one for strong flavors.
Sure.
So I'm not one for all chocolatey things. This is not bad. I still like it. So that's something, but I still wouldn't like. I wouldn't give it a 5 for me. What is
Too
it?
much.
Ben & Jerry's was too sugary.
Yeah, it was too much sugar. Like I couldn't handle it. Like the whole thing. I could eat the whole thing now.
No, I could not.
It's
I can eat everything like Ben & Jerry this one.
We know what you're-
But now we're getting the second one. I don't know if it's the fact that they've been out for like 15 minutes while we're
Yeah.
waiting,
Yes.
but they're like
Forever.
really,
Muscle
they're like perfect texture. Like
but
not too
perfect
hard.
temperature.
You don't have to. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think it's the best ice cream I've ever eaten.
It's to kill the.
There is a tiny
We'll see.
graininess to it.
Graininess. What's that?
The ice cream is not as smooth as the other one.
Kind
There's, there's a certain little. But
Even more.
the caramel flavor is perfect. There's no ice cream right now, vegan ice cream, that have a good caramel flavor. I don't like the caramel coffee from Ben & Jerry's. And
Yeah, I like it a lot.
I don't have it, but like,
already.
it's not, they don't, this one, the coconut doesn't overpower the caramel. It's perfect sweet, but like,
Yeah.
there's my 5.
Wow.
What?
This is your 5. This is your 5.
You gave something a 5?
A 5-star?
The coconut is not overpowering. It just tastes
it doesn't taste like
refreshing.
sunscreen.
It tastes refreshing.
Sunscreen.
Oh my god,
It
but
kind
you
of
guys.
tastes like the beach is what I get.
Yeah.
I'm getting.
Or the
I know what
cocoa
it
milk.
tastes like. It tastes like the coconut rum.
Oh, it kind of tastes like
Malibu.
Mine. Go on. We make like floats with the Malibu rum and like, oh my god, oh my god, I'm hyperventilating.
Oh.
Calm down. Calm down. Have some ice cream.
But wait, should we,
I'm not passing.
honey, should we keep you some? Because it's finishing.
That's this one I like.
But you don't want to keep any the rest?
Something is happening in my brain. Like it's so good.
Something's
Yeah, that
happening
really,
in my
really
pants.
good. I'm usually not a fan of coconut.
Oh my god, yes.
Oh, you don't want to pass
peanut
it?
butter
Of course,
and chocolate fudge. I can see through the screen that it ripples. It's definitely harder than the other one.
We have to.
Oh.
Are there actually nuts in it?
No, there's just peanut butter.
It's so
Really?
pretty.
You know, my mouth
I
is
looked
so
at
wet right
ingredients.
now.
Show them.
It's gonna be like a Reese.
Look,
Like a Reese.
big Reese.
Oh no, Elise,
No.
I
don't.
didn't do this.
I know.
Bouncing back.
Yee.
Oh yeah. Start au métro.
Ugh.
Ça rentre au
God,
métro, cette affaire.
Oui, à mon métro.
damn.
Oh, bounce it back already?
Mm.
Well, I mean, because this one's in
Mon
time.
métro ferme à 11h.
Okay, so I think we have a 5 over there.
I found my soul.
Ooh, I
Oh
did
my
it.
Yes,
goodness.
yeah.
Oh my
Very-
dang.
No, can't wait.
So how is it?
The coconut one was.
How is it?
5 out of 5, 10 stars. Because 5 plus 5. It's like
Mm.
peanut butter but cold. I love it.
Yeah, it's
With like chunks of chocolate.
I just feel like peanut butter that is iced.
Mmm.
Not my favorite.
I think it's the same kind of fudge as the other one. I
Yeah.
love that fudge. It's like thick,
That
but it's
fudge
not crunchy.
Don't
It tastes like
lose your
the
shit.
pieces in the Reese's Pieces.
Remain
Yeah, no.
calm.
It
Oh,
tastes
don't
like
eat another
Reese's
shooting.
Pieces peanut butter cup.
What? Yes.
It just tastes like peanut butter that is iced, honestly.
Well, I think
Yeah. Peanut butter
It's
was
good.
the best. To me,
It's
I
good,
don't
but
know.
it's just not enough.
Well, I think it's
So,
fascinating
you
because
don't
it's
like
ice
me,
cream, but
I
it
don't
just
like
tastes
anything
like
ever.
Grace peanut butter cup.
but it's really, it doesn't feel as heavy as
doesn't?
Ben Jerry's.
Yeah, it is lighter. I like it. It's nicer than Ben & Jerry's.
Yeah.
I wish there was a cookie dough flavor. It's all I'm saying. That's all I'm gonna go for. That's it. I'm gonna put that out in the universe
It's
and I'll
out.
wait.
There's a cookie dough bit for
And there's
Ben &
plates.
Jerry's.
I know, but
There's
it's
one, but
not.
I didn't have one.
The Ben & Jerry's is always so hard to dig in.
Haagen-Daz, I heard they're gonna do like bars.
Ooh.
Vegan?
Wait,
And
what?
2 other flavors.
When? Where?
I don't know. Not work for them.
Peanut butter.
Can I have some of that?
Peanut butter jelly. There's no jelly.
Right now, I'm torn between the coconut
Nobody
and the
had any
fudge.
opinions on the peanut butter?
I mean, it's good, but it's
It's unmemorable.
yeah, I just taste. Well, for him, it was an experience from A to Z.
Mario loved it.
Oh, okay.
I think the texture is great.
So,
I just,
just
for
hold
the
on, I'm
same
going home.
result, I can do it with the bananas that I put in the freezer, and then I can blend them with peanut butter,
Peanut
so
butter,
it doesn't
I-
taste that much different. Yeah.
Don't agree
True
that.
story.
Well, I mean, it
It's
doesn't have the banana
smooth,
part.
but it's not like that sweet. It's not that
No, it's not the same
artificially
thing,
sweet.
but like price-wise, I mean, I'd invest my money in a different flavor.
Yes.
That's all I mean.
Yeah,
+1 on your comments.
I would make Haagen-Daz make a cookie dough version.
Yeah.
Thank
I
you
like
very much.
this just the way you are. You're perfect.
I love caramel, so I'm happy.
Yeah, the coconut caramel is my favorite of the 3. I think because it's not as intense, honestly.
Oh, I find it more intense.
So,
Oh, for me, it's just like,
which one is your favorite one?
Chocolate fudge.
Peanut butter.
Check out the fudge.
Coconut.
Chocolate fudge.
Coconut.
Okay, so peanut butter,
coconut.
coconut,
Chocolate.
Chocolate, chocolate,
Chocolate.
chocolate.
So chocolate, coconut. Is chocolate the number one?
I can't. Chocolate and coconut is equal right now. It's
Yeah?
3, and
One.
2 peanut butter.
You get peanut butter too?
So there's. Oh my god, it's a tie.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's a tie.
The coconut
It
is
is.
Because it's 3 versus 3.
So let's see your neighbor. Maybe you want to taste it.
So that's it. That's our taste test. It tasted so good.
Thank you so
wish you were
much.
here. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and leave comments. And
Yes.
stay tuned because we have a lot more things coming up your way.
Yes. So bye.
So much.
Stay tuned.
Being vegan is
Bye.
easy.
Bye.
Shit. Can you go?
The thing goes grrr.
Yo, leave that in.
Wait,
At
wait.
the back, at the back. Where you were, Luna, where you are?
Red butt red.
Star.
Vida. Are you keeping it too long in your hands?
Non, Elise a toqué, j'étais comme, oh, ça bounce back.
A life responsibility